In this video, you will learn how to calculate the median in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have calculated the median from this set of data. The median is the middle number in a data set. For manual calculation, we arrange the data point in ascending order and find the middle number. But in Excel, you can calculate the median within seconds. Just apply the formula and the Excel will perform all these functions within seconds. Secondly, these values are very dynamic. For example, if I change the source values to 95, press enter. Now you can see here the median value is automatically changed. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. I will calculate the median here. Firstly, I will write median. Select the cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the result in this cell. You can select any cell. After selecting the particular cell, put equal sign. Now you can see here I have put equal sign. After that, write median. Now you can see here median option appeared here. Double click on this option. Now select the cell which contain data points. I want to calculate the median of these cells, so I have selected all these cells. After doing that, close the bracket and simply press enter. Now you can see here Excel has automatically calculated the median value. Now you don't need to apply similar steps for all remaining columns. Simply select the cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appear, drag it down for remaining columns. Now you can see here Excel has automatically calculated the median for remaining columns. So by applying median formula, you can easily calculate the median value in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.